Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a DIY-friendly 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users who enjoy assembling their own machine. This high-quality, open-source printer is known for its reliability, ease of use, and advanced features. One of the key highlights of the 4 Malawian Kwachas is its automatic calibration system, which ensures precise printing without requiring manual adjustments. This makes it easier for beginners to achieve high-quality prints with minimal setup time. The printer also includes removable print sheets, allowing for easy removal of finished models without damaging them. The 4 Malawian Kwachas offers a generous print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, providing ample space for creating detailed and complex objects. It supports a wide range of filaments, making it suitable for printing with PLA, PTG, ABS, ASA, and flexible materials. A sample filament is included to help users start printing right away. As a DIY kit, the 4 Malawian Kwachas is designed to be fun to assemble, providing users with a deeper understanding of how 3D printers work. The build process is straightforward, with detailed instructions and community support available. Once assembled, the printer delivers fast, precise, and reliable performance. The Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is open source, meaning users can modify and upgrade it to suit their needs. Additionally, silent stepper motors ensure quieter operation compared to previous models. Overall, the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a versatile, user-friendly, and highly customizable 3D printer that provides excellent print quality, automatic calibration, and a rewarding assembly experience, making it a great choice for hobbyists, makers, and professionals alike. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a high-speed, beginner-friendly 3D printer designed for hobbyists and makers who want reliable performance with minimal setup. With a printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, it significantly reduces print times while maintaining high precision. One of its standout features is the CR Touch auto leveling system, which ensures an even and accurate first layer without the need for manual bed leveling. This makes the printer much easier to use, especially for beginners. Additionally, the Sprite Direct Extruder provides better filament control, reducing the risk of clogs and improving print quality, especially for flexible materials like TPU. The Ender-3 V3 SE has a printing volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, allowing users to print medium-sized models with fine details. The autoload filament system simplifies filament changes, while the dual Z-axis and Y-axis rails enhance stability, reducing vibrations and improving print accuracy. As a DIY 3D printer, assembly is straightforward, with most components pre-assembled for quick setup. The printer's user-friendly interface and guided instructions make it easy to get started, even for those new to 3D printing. With its solid build, advanced features, and high-speed capabilities, the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a great choice for both beginners and experienced users looking for a fast, reliable, and easy-to-use 3D printer at an affordable price. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-speed, user-friendly 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users who want fast and precise prints. With an impressive printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, it significantly reduces printing time while maintaining quality. A key feature of the M5C is its all-metal hot end, which can reach temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing it to print with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PTG, TPU, ABS, and nylon. The 7x7 auto-leveling system ensures a properly leveled bed, reducing setup time and improving print accuracy. With a print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the M5C offers ample space for various projects, from small prototypes to detailed models. It is designed for multi-device control, enabling users to start, monitor, and adjust prints from their smartphone, tablet, or computer. The intuitive interface makes operation simple, even for beginners. The sturdy frame and precise motion system enhance stability, reducing vibrations for smoother and more reliable prints. The direct drive extruder improves filament handling, especially for flexible materials. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C is a powerful, high-speed 3D printer with advanced features like 300 degrees Celsius printing, auto-leveling, and multi-device control, making it an excellent choice for makers who want fast, high-quality prints with minimal hassle. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact, high-speed, and multicolor 3D printer designed for ease of use and precision. With its fully automated calibration system, users can achieve high-quality prints without manual adjustments. It is beginner-friendly and can be set up in just 20 minutes, making it ideal for both newcomers and experienced makers. One of the standout features of the A1 Mini is its multicolor printing capability, allowing users to create detailed, vibrant models. The printer also includes active flow rate compensation, which ensures consistent extrusion for smoother prints with fewer defects. The A1 Mini is engineered for high-speed printing, reducing print times while maintaining accuracy. Despite its speed, it operates at less than or equal to 48 dB, making it one of the quieter FDM 3D printers available. With a compact design, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is perfect for small workspaces while still offering a respectable print volume. Its full auto-calibration system eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, and the user-friendly interface simplifies operation. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an efficient, multicolor, and high-precision 3D printer that is easy to set up and use, making it a great choice for hobbyists, students, and professionals who need fast, reliable, and colorful 3D prints with minimal hassle. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing solution ideal for both home and school use. Featuring a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, it is optimized for fast PLA material printing, ensuring smooth, consistent prints every time. The extruder automatically adjusts for optimal printing conditions, making it easy to switch between different materials and reducing setup time. This 3D printer comes with a factory-leveled flex build plate, eliminating the need for manual bed leveling and providing better adhesion during prints. The flex build plate also allows for easy removal of finished prints without damage, enhancing convenience and productivity. The printer's print size of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches provides enough space for medium-sized projects, offering versatility for various applications. Designed with ease of use in mind, the Replicator Plus features a simple setup process, intuitive controls, and reliable print quality, making it a great option for beginners, educators, and makers. The printer's user-friendly interface helps users navigate the settings easily, while its Wi-Fi connectivity enables remote monitoring and control via the MakerBot Print app. With its high-performance features and a focus on simplicity, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is a great choice for those looking for an efficient, hassle-free 3D printer. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or part of a small business, this printer provides consistent, high-quality prints with minimal setup time.